welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be the nursery tour. So this is not actually the tour. We're gonna start setting up her nursery. So there's obviously her crib, her like furniture is in, but it's not like decorated. So there's frames to be hanged, shelves, a lot of like decor pieces that I had bought in previously when I was pregnant. And I'm also doing the wallpaper now, so I'm gonna go ahead and record the whole process, and then I'll give you guys like a full nursery tour, like show you guys like everything, how I organized her things in the furniture, her clothes, her diapers, and just show you guys an overall like nursery tour. I feel like this is a long overrated video that you guys have been asking for, but you know, we haven't had the time to do it because, you know, she came a little bit earlier than she was supposed to. So yeah, here we are. So we're gonna go ahead and do the wallpaper. We only have one sticker up. It's a butterfly. You guys already don't know, her theme is butterflies. Like it's kind of like a garden butterfly theme. So yeah, that's what we're going for. I have a bunch of things that I bought and I'm very excited to see how it turned out. So let's go ahead and get started. Finally, her nursery tour is here. So before we get started and I show you guys the nursery tour, her theme is butterflies, like garden butterfly garden, something like that. That was her theme. So there's like flowers, there's butterflies, you know, there's like a mix of things, and I decided to do more like multicolor. So I have lavender, pink, green, yellow, blue, like there's a mix of colors. I didn't want to do like pink and white like Alejandra. I want to do something a little bit different, and I honestly love the way it turned out. So yeah, I'm super excited to show you guys. She is currently sleeping in the crib, so I'm not gonna be able to talk that loud, but yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. It's gonna look super cute. You guys are gonna, I think you guys are gonna love it. I really like it, and yeah, it took a while, but we finally got it done. So let's go ahead and get started with her nursery tour. So you walk in and there's a hamper right there. You see by the theme, it's like, you know, all those colors, blue, pink, green, butterflies. And then we have these shelves here. I'm gonna be updating it while she grows up, so maybe I'll add like books or something like that later on. But we just had to put like her first doll. And then this serves like as a candle, but it's like a fake candle. I usually turn it on and then it lights up the room like super dimmed out, which is what I wanted. That's that. And we just have like a random decor, little toy from her, and then a vase. So the whole house has this type of curtain. I don't want to do any color curtain, so we just do that. Just close it up and it's like that. We have this flower frame. I absolutely love this frame. I found it at Home Goods, and I don't know, I just loved it ever since I saw it. So I kind of went into theme with the other colors in the room. And then this is my favorite wall. It's a butterfly themed wall. They're stickers. I got them on Etsy, and then I also got her name written out in this like wooden board thing from Etsy. And then you see the butterflies have like pink, blue, it has like peach color, pink, blue. That one's kind of like lavender, and like that. And then her crib. So this was Alejandra's crib, and we gave her this crib because they don't do this crib anymore. So they don't have the front, they don't have it like for the toddler bed, so we decided to give it to her, and we bought Alejandra a new one. Anyways, this one had butterfly and flowers as well. I've got this, it's super pretty. And then this is her sheets and stuff. So everything is butterfly. She sometimes sleeps with this, but barely, only when I'm watching her. At night we don't put her with this. And then I absolutely love her cover sheets. It's so pretty. It's the same as the little hamper. So yeah, hi. So this is her mirror, and we did a little bit of butterflies. We had this whole like flower thing around it, but it kind of fell, and I don't want to hot glue it just because the mirror is gonna get messed up. So, you know, looking for something to add, but for now this is what we have. And then this is the same dresser that Alejandra had, but I ordered these little knobs, and they're butterflies, and I think it fits so good. So we did that. And over here we just have like wipes, lamp, everything baby stuff. We got this cover which matches super good with the gold butterflies. I also have it in like full pink, just to switch around. And then we did socks here. She doesn't even wear socks at this point, so I'm just leaving them because winter's coming, so I gotta find the pairs and stuff. And then we got diapers here. I got her diapers here, and then Alejandra's here. Sometimes we change Ale right after the bathroom, so it's more convenient to just have it there. And then here we got like washcloth and bibs. Over here we have clothes. I just emptied out her drawers, and look how much clothes she still has. Like, it's ridiculous. We got PJs, pants, shorts, shirts, long sleeves, rompers, more rompers. So that's how I organized the drawers. And then this one we did blankets and like crib sheets here. And then over here we have like burping cloths, some towels, and some blankets. So that's how I organized her drawers. Super easy, super convenient. Like, literally anybody could come right now, and I'm like super busy. I'm like, oh my god, just go to the drawer, and I'm like, they find it super quick. I'm like really picky about organizing the drawers because of that. And this is her closet. So her closet is not fully done. I still have to like buy like kind of like a little bench thing to like put things on, and baskets and stuff. So yeah, bear with me. So this is all her clothes that doesn't fit her. This is like big girl clothes. A lot of it is from her sister, that they are pretty much new, because you know, kids, they grow really quick, so their clothes, like, they outgrow their clothes really fast. Alejandra literally used this one time, so why would I throw it out or give it away? Like, thank god I did it, because now Valentina will use it. So that's what we did. We hanged up the big clothes. She has so many little hangers that aren't used. And then up there is more clothes from Alejandra, and more clothes, either clothes that are too big on her, people have gifted her, or Alejandra's clothes that doesn't fit anymore. And then this whole thing right here is full of shoes, and I want to buy like kind of like a little bench so I can put it down here with her shoes. And then we just store the diaper boxes in here for now. This is the little bags for the trash can. This is all the clothes that she doesn't fit into anymore, and I just have it here because I want to do a giveaway. I want to give away all the clothes that doesn't fit her, plus the breast pump machine. I have all the like little tubes and the bottles and all that. I want to give it away. I want to give the breast pump away. I want to give the baby clothes away. I want to give like a machine, you know, the machine that makes the formulas. I want to do that. I want to give away formula. I want to do like a big giveaway with everything that doesn't fit her anymore, and apart everything like that I just mentioned. I have so many blankets and stuff that I want to give away, because why would I have it? I'm not gonna have any more babies, so might as well give it to somebody that I would actually like use it. So giveaway is coming soon. Any mommies out there that you know, make sure you tell them to follow me, because I will be talking about it here and maybe on my Instagram, so just stay tuned for that. So yeah, that's like the overview of her room. A little butterfly theme. This is the same recliner that we used for Alejandra. I just decorated it with like a different blanket, same pillow, and then we have a purifier. She has Valentina has a lot of trouble with like her breathing, so we just have a purifier in her room so it can make it better for when she sleeps. And yeah, she absolutely loves her crib. I'm gonna be making a video soon about how I sleep trained her when she was 3 months, and she is 4 now, going on to 5, and she sleeps the whole night since she was 3 months. Like, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Obviously not every baby is the same, but I have little tricks that maybe could help you guys out. I know a lot of moms struggle with their baby sleeping through the night or sleeping in their own crib. So Alejandra got sleep trained since she was 3 months, but we slept trained her in her bassinet, which was in her room. And then when we transitioned her at 6 months to her crib, she had a little bit of trouble, and we had to, you know, slowly put her in, and it was like a little struggle, so I didn't want to go through that again. So I started sleep training her in her crib at 3 months, and I have the baby monitor on. She sleeps with the door open, and then I have my door open in the room so I could hear everything, and it's been going super good. So I'll show you guys in the next video probably how I sleep trained her, and you know, everything that I do in order to make it work. So here we have little Violet. Oh, she gets so happy, my little cutie. She ate right now, and I put her here to watch the fishes, and she loves it. She could spend here like hours. She prefers the fish tank over the TV, I think. We recently just got a new dining table. Finally, it was about time for it to get here. We ordered it 3 months ago, so it's just like marble, a marble table on top, and it matches, I think, so good with our floor. So that's why I went with it. And then it has a black base, which I wanted because everything in the kitchen is like black handles. The appliances are dark, like the black stainless steel, and then the gray chairs match with the granite of the kitchen, and the bar stools are the same. We did the same bar stools as the table so everything could match. So now the only thing we're missing are the lights that are gonna hang from the island. Kind of want to add a chandelier here right on top of the dining table, and then get a nice centerpiece and put some frames on the wall. So it's just a matter of time, but it's definitely coming together. I finally could walk in the house and not have a panic attack with my dining table not being color coordinated with the rest of the house. So you see the dining table has gray, white, and black, just like this living room. It's, you know, the whole fireplace, it's black and gray. The couch is gray. The walls are like light gray. The curtains are white. So yeah, I really wanted our house to be black, white, and gray. So yeah, it kind of matches. Next step is to get a new couch for this area, but for now at least it matches. We got already the play yard out, and Alejandra's toys everywhere and all that. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for the wait on the nursery tour, but you know, it wasn't fully done, so it made no sense to show you guys a video that wasn't like gonna be done, even though I still have to fix like the inside of her closet, maybe add more decorations to like where the mirror is on the wall. So it's just a matter of time. I'll keep you guys updated. And stay tuned for that sleeping training video. I know a lot of you guys ask me all the time on Instagram, so I'll make sure to do one of those. And yeah, I can't wait to keep you guys updated. We have a lot of things that we're working on. We've been very busy, but yeah, I'm not gonna keep on talking and being on a rant over here. So yeah, we'll see you guys on our next one. Bye guys.